let's just look at services inflation and how it's been evolving over time. And as Laura, you mentioned, this is kind of like you're going to get a haircut, you're going to the restaurants, go to a hotel. Medical care is also part of this component. So it's a big component. We mostly consume services. Like 2/3 basically of the basket of goods is services. The rest is goods. But this is an important part of the economy. And so if you look at this right now, the level of inflation in services is really high, more than 5%. And what's worrisome is that we haven't seen much movement, much improvement lately. So you see this going sideways, but nonetheless still very high, and much higher than we've seen in the past. So if you looked at what the level you had in the 2000, between 2000 and 2010, we're much higher than that, and much higher than where we've been over the 10 years preceding the pandemic. And this is problematic, concerning to policymakers because of features in services. Services inflation tend to be a little bit more persistent and also tied to the labor market a little bit more, just because a little more of the cost component of services is labor.